Hello everyone, welcome to DTT. Tonight we'll share our keynote speech, Empower Developers with AI, Model Arts, and Pangu Large Models. The special guest tonight is Mohammed Nagy. He's a senior integration engineer in Taonaya who has deep understanding in the field of AI. He will bring to the table explanations and practical exercises. Okay, now let's welcome Mr. Mohammed Nagy.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks so much. Okay. Thanks, Adam, so much. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Mohammed Nagy, Senior Integration Engineer at Taonaya and Hawaii Cloud Developer Organizer. I am here today to talk about Empower Developer with AI. I will talk about Model Artists and Pangu Model.
Just
click. No click. Okay. 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 This is the agenda of the day. Okay. This is the agenda of the day. We will introduction to Model Arts, then Pangu large model, then Model Arts practice. Okay. Let's start with AI. What is AI in the first thing? AI is the artificial intelligence. And the hierarchy of artificial intelligence contain AI, and AI is okay. AI is the first thing in the umbrella. AI is to make the machine act as human. Second thing, the machine learning. Machine learning is to make the machine learning the data and make a lot of calculation to appear the result. Okay, and after that there is deep learning and LLM. Okay. Everybody these days talking about the AI. So AI is trend these days. So we will talk about the AI, and we will talk about the AI in the industries, and what we do in these industries and in AI. Okay, in AI adoption is exceed 30%. It will exceed 30% in 2026. Okay, let's start in 2018. The Huawei AI the AI play his role in the applications by 4% only. After that, in 2021, it was 7%, and we hope it will be plus 30% in 2026. Okay, you can see the application in the screen. You can see the applications that use AI: smart logistics, and smart government, and smart energy, and smart traffic management, and all of these applications use AI. Huawei work in 2,000 projects. 30% of application include production systems. Okay, today we talk about the model arts. What is model arts and what it can do? Model arts is platform for everything about AI and machine learning in one environment. You can make everything. You can type your code. You can train your model. You can deploy everything you can do with model arts. It is very, very interesting topic. First thing in model art, you will find in this hierarchy of model art, you will find first thing L0. In L0, you will find Pangu model. This is the base of model arts. In this base, you can see the pre-trained models such as CV and NLP, and multimodal and GNN and scientific computing. We will talk about these 5 models in next slides. But now we need to know this is the base of Pangu model. This is the base of model arts, and everything is built with this layer. So while we focus on the industry, more focused on in industry. So if you can see this screen, you will find industry models after foundation models. Industry models contain mining model and the metrology model and healthcare and electric power model and the e-government model and the large finance model. So if you understand these layers, you can find the second layer, L1, is dependent on the first layer. So we have pre-trained algorithm or pre-trained models. Then we have industry models to serve the industry. All industries these days need to add the AI in their work and their days. Okay. So while we focused on industry to help you. This is pre-trained model also. You will find mining model. It is big track. Mining is very big and interested in all the industries. And the metrology and healthcare also, for sure, healthcare is very important. And this is pre-trained model in this track. So this is very amazing. And so on. After that, you will find L2, the last one in the last pre-trained algorithms or models. You will find these models like you can finance OCR, you can make financial anomaly detection, you can make any of these applications. This application is pre-trained application, and you can use it from the market of model arts. You can find it in AI gallery, and you can use it, to make a new models based on these models. So as I told you, you have 3 layers. The first layer is foundation models. In foundation model, the foundation model is the base. This is Pangu models. Then industry models. Based in industry models, you will find specific models. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. As you see, this is the pipeline of Huawei Model Arts. First thing, you need to get the data, and after you get the data from database, from anything, from database, from internet, from any thing on the internet or from database. After that, you will make data processing. What is data processing? I think a lot of attendees know what is data processing, but we will go through it. First thing is data filtering. We need to filter the data. We have a lot of data. There is a lot of wrong data in this data. So we need to filter this data to make our model perfect. So first thing, we can make data filtering or data labeling or team labeling. Let's say we work as a group on this model. If we work as a group, we can make team labeling. Team labeling make you can open, all the team can open the model and label the model together, because there is a lot of the data. So if everyone work alone, he will work a lot to make this labeling. So in Huawei Model Art, you can make team labeling. There is also intelligent data filtering and intelligent data labeling. Intelligent data filtering is same as you can filter the data by yourself, or you can make model art filter your data by its algorithms. And same for labeling. Okay, let's go to the next part, algorithm development. In algorithm development, in any AI model, you need to develop some algorithms. You need to type code. You can use with ModelArts. You can use PyCharm, you can SDK or VS SDK, and you can use also Jupyter Lab plugin. So here you can use your SDKs and plugins. So it will make your life is better and will make your life is faster because you already know PyCharm and you or Code Lab or VS Code. So it will fast your process. After that, we will go to the model training. Model training, the first thing in model training is auto hyperparameter tuning. Okay. Uh, Auto hyperparameter tuning make you can find the hyperparameter tuning. You can use it to avoid the fitting, the underfitting and overfitting. Also, you can to train your data. You can make distributed clusters. What is the meaning of clusters? Clusters mean you can run your model in different environment because there is if you have a huge data and this will take a lot of resources, so you can make it in two cloud services or two devices, or make it clustering. Mean you can divide your work to save your resources. Third thing here is model visualization. Here, after you train your data, you can show, you can see the visualization to show what happened in the training, what you will be benefit from this training, what you will learn from this. So you will find model visualization, and the very interesting Huawei ModelArts can compatible with Ascend AI chip. This is Huawei AI chip powered by Huawei. And this will make compatibility very good because Huawei, the two products from Huawei, the chip from Huawei and the chips from Huawei and the ModelArts by Huawei. So your process will be faster and faster. Fourth thing is you will find model management. What is model management? I need to manage my model. I have trained it, but where is I can store my model? I can store it in model repository. In model repository, I can store my model and the data. Also, I can find it and restore it. So model repository is very helpful. And you can find model lineage. Okay. Also, you can find model evaluation to evaluate your model and see how it is good, okay, and so on. After that, we have real model deployment. In model deployment, we have real-time services. Mean you can by one click deploy your model, and everything for one model will deploy by one click. So it is very interesting. Second thing is batch services. Batch services make you can deploy a batch of models. You have batch of models and you need to deploy it in one time. So you can use batch services. And the last thing is AI gallery. In AI gallery, you will find pre-trained algorithms. And this is, as you can see, Pangu models. So we have here in AI gallery, you can find Pangu models, pre-trained algorithms. And you will find the notebook. If you AI engineer, you will know the notebook very well because you can type your prompt here, and you can and here you will find data sets and so on. Last thing, there is marketplace. Marketplace mean you have a marketplace like your mobile have marketplace. This marketplace has a lot of applications and you can download it and use it. But in ModelArts and in the AI, you can find APIs for sales, APIs for many things. So you will find the pre-trained algorithms ready with ready APIs. So I think it is very, very good. Let's go to the next slide. Now we will talk about Pangu large models. Okay. In the second page, we talk about Huawei Pangu models, and we say that we will continue and talk about these 5 models in next pages. So we are here. First thing is Pangu computer vision model. Anyone with background of AI, you know this the computer vision help you to make classification in the image, to make data labeling, to get objects from image. So Pangu CV model help you to make this, and this is pre-trained algorithm or pre-trained model, so you can use it and make another model by using it. Second thing is Pangu NLP model. What is Pangu NLP model? These days, I think a lot of you using NLP models in another technologies. You can type, you can open the URL and type anything, ask about anything, and the model can reply to you with a great result. So Pangu provides this also with a very, very good algorithm and very good trained model. So it is like you can search, you can type what is the weather now, how I can type a code, how I can make a model by Huawei art model. You can type anything, and the model will reply to you with the result. Third thing is Pangu multi-model. Nowadays we need to get data from image and audio in one algorithm. We need the input to be text and audio, and we need the result from this data. So CV can't do this because CV work only for images, and NLP work only for text. But to work with image and text, you need to work with multi-model model. So this model will work with this combination of text and images, or any data you need. You need to combine text with image, text with voice, anything else. The next one is GNN model. In GNN model, you will train your model to find the relationship between 2 objects. If you have 2 images or 2 type of images or 2 type of text, you can find the relationship between this data. So when you need to find the relationship between data, you can use this pre-trained model. The last thing and the very large thing is scientific computing model, and this work with very, very complex scientific cases. You can use it if you need to do a thing with scientific. Next. Here we found Pangu CV large model applications. As you can see, by CV large model, you can content view. What is the meaning by content view here? If you check this photo or video, you can find a crime is existing in this photo or video. So content review will detect this part from the video and will alert the user. So this is very helpful if you have a camera in your home and need system like that, or in your company you need to know any crime in the company. So it is very, very helpful. Second thing, and this is very useful and well known, is image search. You can now select any part of anything and search by this image, and search in the model by this image, and you will find what is this, and you will find if this model is cat or dog or anything or person. The image search will let you know everything about the image. Third thing here, text recognition. Text recognition is also well known. I think a lot of us know the text recognition very well, because if you need the system to get data from documents and take this data and make processing with this data to your application or your bank or anything, you can use text recognition application. So you can extract from the passport, you can extract the name and the birth date and everything from the document. So it is very helpful also. And we can use smart cities. We can use it in smart cities. As you can see, this model can take photos about from video about the cars in the street. Um, Here you will find road awareness. If you in your car and sleep at any time, you can get alert when people is cross the street. So it is very helpful, and there is a lot of applications for this scenario. Next one is smart album. Smart album is you can categorize a lot of images based on inputs. What is the inputs? Like you need to make your phone categorize the albums in your mobile based on person image. I found the Muhammad face, and I need to get all Muhammad photos in one folder. I need to go all flowers in one folder. Anything like that. So this is the smart album. This is also pre-trained application and application with Huawei Pangu model. Last thing is electronic attendees. What is electronic attendees? Electronic attendance is if you work in company and need to sign up to your employee with face or with full body, you can only take their photo, and when they check in, you can check the photos in your in the model, and make this person attend. So this is also very helpful for the companies, and I think maybe for the universities also, you can take attendees for the students by this model. So this is very helpful. Okay. Now we can talk about NLP large model. As I said before, NLP large model, you can search by type any text. You can text anything. You say, what is the weather now? Why the sky is blue? What is OBIC? What is OBIC? Anything, any question like this paragraph, and the result will be this paragraph. So you can ask any question you need, and the model will reply to you. So I think these days a lot of us use models like that, and Huawei make it very helpful for business and for industries. So I think any industry will use this NLP model. Okay. Now we will go to practice. Okay. This practice will be for intelligent labeling. As I said, we have intelligent labeling in ModelArts. In ModelArts, we have intelligent labeling. So to make this exercise, you will need to click on the link to open the lab. You can click this link, start exercise. Then you need to prepare the data. After prepare the data, and you need to get the data and prepare it. After that, you can create OBS. This is the object you can store the data in. Then you will download data and upload it to the bucket. So we need to get the data. After get the data and prepare it and upload it to OBS. OBS is a store, document store in ModelArts. After that, you need to download data and upload it to the bucket. You will see all the steps in 5 minutes. Now you can open ModelArts and choose data set from OBS. So you will create OBS and download it, and you can choose dataset from this OBS, the dataset you already upload. Then you will create labeling job, then activate auto labeling, then create feature analysis. Okay. After that, you will get features analysis results. To get the graph about your model and what happened in the model and what happened in the train, and you, as you can see, you will get a lot of data from the trained model. Okay, now I will go to the lab. Okay, here you will find thing called you need to go to this website. Anyone can access this website, by the way. So I think you can now. I will wait you for 1 minute to go to this URL and try to make this exercise with me. So please take the link and try now. You need to create your account. So create your account and come back to me. Okay. Okay. You will. Oops. I need you to know this website. It will be very helpful for you. Here you will find develop. You will find code arts and model arts, and you will find data arts studio. Also, you will find programs like today. I am with HCDG, Huawei Cloud Developer Group. You can join us, and you can join also Huawei Cloud Student Developers if you are still a student. And you can join Huawei Cloud Developer Expert. So we have a lot of programs. Huawei have a lot of programs. You can join these programs and learn more. About the learn, you will find here training courses. You will find here training courses about a lot of things. You can search by AI to find AI courses and or compute or storage or network or database. There is a lot of courses you can benefit from. So I recommend to you to join this website and try to know a lot of to know these courses and learn from these courses. Okay. And we have thing called Colapse. What is Colapse? Colapse is a labs to practice in the learning. You learn a course and need practice. So what we provide to us a very helpful practice website. So you can search here for anything you need. and find how point you will need to use it, and you will find a lot of labs is free. You can try it with 0 points, and um, and you can check the website by yourself. You will find this site very helpful. So I will go to Colabs and search by labeling. So you will find our exercise for today. So I think I gave you a nice time to register for the website and start working with me. So I will start now. Please be ready. Okay. As you see, you can start exercise by click this link. Okay. Here you will find in the right hand side, you can find BC or OBS or ModelArts. We need to start our work with BC. But let's start with these instructions. First thing, you will find account and username and password. And you will ask what I should do by these credentials. You can follow this exercise. You will find prerequisites login to Huawei Cloud with your account and choose IM from here. I will click BC, then go to Firefox. You will find this page. Here you can choose IM user and type the data from here, copy and paste. I think you need to enable this password to copy it. So please, before copy, make it enabled. And check your data and click login. Okay, let's follow the instructions. First thing, we need to create a bucket. We need to create a bucket to upload our image on it. The bucket is storage here in Huawei Cloud. So we will find it object storage services. So we will go from these 3 points. We will find object storage services. We will click on it. Then we will okay. Okay. Now you can create your bucket. This main create your storage in Huawei Cloud. So I click in Huawei and create the bucket. From here, you can first thing you can select bucket. What is select bucket? If you create a bucket before, you can select it to use it again if you need it. Or you can make it empty and go to the region. You can choose any region, but in this exercise, we need to choose this region, because if you choose another region, you can't find another things in the lab. So you need to follow everything in the lab. So please choose Singapore as is. Next thing, you need to type a name. You can read these instructions and found we need to type everything in small. So we can type bucket DDT, for example. You must know this name. Please copy it in another notepad or anything else. So please copy it. Here, if we follow the steps, we will find that we need to choose standard. Before standard, we need to choose single storage. Okay. Okay. The difference between single storage and multi-storage is single storage will be in one region, but multi-storage will be in multiple regions. So we will now choose single storage. After that, we will go to this. We will choose standard. You can read the content, and you will find these two access data and to be public, and you can use it. So you can choose standard. After that, the instruction told you to choose bucket policy to be private, not public. You can make it public read. Anyone can use it in the cloud, or public read and write. So now we will choose private. Okay, we need to leave everything here and click. Now we can create our bucket. Click OK. Congratulations, your first bucket is created. Now you can go to the bucket and follow these instructions. We need to create two folders, one for input and the other for output. So what is these folders? We need to train data. We need, first thing I said, if you remember the slide, I said we need to get data. After we get data, we need to train this data. So we have input data and output data that will be after training. Okay, so now we will create a folder for input and another folder for output. Okay, now we have finished creating the folders. Now we will go to the download our data. You need to get your data from anything, any data you have, from database, from any papers, any online papers, anything. You need to get your data. So you can get your data from anywhere. But now in this exercise, we need to get the data from this URL. Okay, so we will get the data. We will download this data from this URL, and we need to go to the terminal and paste. Copy code from here. It's better. Then you will be able to paste it and click enter. Download now in progress. After download, you need to unzip this file. So we will use this command to unzip the file. Now, as you see, you will find a lot of images in this folder. So our data is ready. Okay, we need to go to the input folder. Open Firefox again. Here we will find our input folder, but it's empty. We didn't upload the photos here till now. As you, if you remember in the slides, I told you need to upload the data after download it. So we will upload the data now. From here, upload object, and click and scroll down. You will find add files, and go to user. You will find dishes folder. Choose it and scroll in this folder to check the images. You will find these images contain food and dishes. So Control A and click open and click OK. Now the status is in progress, and we will wait. Uh, we will wait until it be completed. You can close it and waiting. And here is the status is here. So okay, we are ready now. Completed successfully. So we will go to now we have uploaded our data set, our data. So now we need to create a data set. We will go to the model arts to be able to update the data set. We will search here for model arts. And click here. Now you will find data sets in the left hand side. Click on it. After that, you need to click on create. Here we need to change this name, or we can use it, but we need to use name we can remember it. So let's type DDT here. And we need to say okay, let's follow the instructions and type dataset dish. You can type anything, but try to follow the instructions in the first time you use it. And it types. We saw the download images, and we found it images. So we need to choose images. You can also choose audio or text or anything, but now we will choose images. Okay. Okay. Here, labeling status. We need to check the labeled image. So we will choose labeled, and from labeling format, we will choose object detection. We have a lot of images of dishes, so we need to label the dishes. So we have object and we need to label it. So we will choose object detection. And for sure here we using model arts. Okay. Now we will choose the output dataset bus. We choose in the first thing we upload the photo in the input file. Now we need to choose the folder that we will save the photos, the trend photos on it. Okay, so we will choose. So we will choose this bucket. We named it bucket DDT. Okay, so we will find now output folder and click OK. No, I think we need output folder. Yes, correct. Okay. Now we can click on submit. Okay, we forget to choose the image path. We choose the output without choose the input folder. So we need to choose input folder. Okay, and click submit. Okay, please follow this labeling progress, and you will find the first section be green now. So we finished the first part of this exercise. You can check the status from here. Now the status become completed. So we have completed upload our data and train it. Now we will go we will switch to the label data. Okay. Mhm. Um, okay. Now we will create labeling. So we need to choose to type the name of this task. We can say it task dish. And as I said, this is object detection, not image classification. We need to detect object from the image. So we will choose object detection. After that, we will choose our dataset name. We have one dataset now, but if you have a lot of datasets, you will find a lot of datasets. So you need to save this name to choose it. After that, you will click on create. And this will auto labeling our input. And sometimes we need to refresh the page. It takes sometimes. I think we need to refresh. Yes, it is done. Okay, so now we can click on the labeling name. So now this is our data. We have 75 photos of dishes, and we have 25 labeled images. You can check them. Okay, and we have unlabeled images here. So now we need to label these images. So what we can do now, we have intelligent labeling. So now we need to make the intelligent labeling. So we will go to this auto labeling and choose auto label. Here you can choose the auto labeling type. We will choose active labeling, active learning, and fast, because the other will take more time. So we will choose it and click submit. Now we will wait until this process complete. Follow this process. We are in the initialize point. After that, we will go to the label. After that, we will process results. And you can follow this time. I think it will take 5 minutes. So let's wait for 5 minutes. You can make the previous steps now till this end. So please make the steps now. Anyone need to ask any question, please ask now. No questions? Okay. Okay. Anyone have any question, please send in comment. We will reply to you now. Any questions? Remember that you can do anything you need in machine learning using ModelArts. Because it's based on cloud, so you can make anything, and you can train the models in cloud, and you can upgrade your resources anytime. If you know the cloud benefits, you will find the model arts very, very helpful because you can train your model with a lot of data in cloud. This will take less time and will train the data well. So I think it's very, very good to use.
في سؤال ماشي
Mm.
بيسأل can I use any type of data and label it
Yes, you can use any type of data. Yes,
زي ايه؟
images and video. Yeah, images and video. You can use images and video to label it. I like this lab or this website because when you lose the connection or anything will happen, you can just refresh the page and it will work in the same step. So, and you can also copy this URL to your personal device like that, and you can copy these credentials.
sorry ده.
Okay, we need to go the same step. We need to go to model arts. Okay, still in progress. Mm.
Like how this will save cost in scalable projects compared to other companies.
Uh, it will save cost because it uses cloud, so you can choose small resources. Then you can uh, buy another resources when you need. So it will make the cost is less than the other. Uh, by the way, the power of Huawei model arts in the industry. If you in industry, you will find it have a lot of pre-trained models, so it will help you a lot in the industry. And outside the industry, the models is very good, but the focus on industry. So I think you will benefit more if you work on industry. هو ده انا عايز
حاسب ايدك حاسب ايدك حاسب ايدك حاسب ايدك.
We need to auto label again. We need to auto label again, yes. Okay. لسه هو بيعيد الخطوة بتاعت الليبلنج تاني عشان نعلق. Part the labeling now because it is take time and we'll show it in the video now. Okay. مو مشكلة في الانترنت. لا, let's wait, no problem. Okay, as I said, we will wait for around 5 minutes, and then the unlabeled will be go to be confirmed. So now you need to open the to be confirmed the images and to be confirmed tab. Okay, here you will check the auto labeled images, and you need to confirm. You need to to click Control S to save if you confirm that this image is correct. Else you need to check to choose the wrong one and click delete from here. As you can see here, we found something wrong in the right hand side, so we need to delete it. After delete, you need to save your update. And so on, you will check one by one and confirm all is true. Here, as you can see, there is a hand in the photo and the auto label detect it. So we need to delete this detection. Now we will go to the last part of this exercise. We need to go to the feature analysis. In feature analysis, you will find all the data about the trend model, and you will find the graph and everything. First, before you go to the feature analysis, you need to publish your model. So we will click publish. Then type the version number. Then click OK. Here we are setting the ratio. Now the app is published, and we will go to the feature analysis. As you can see, you will choose the feature analysis and choose the version. And after you finish the session, the exercise, you will find congratulations, you have completed the exercise. Now this is the graphs result about your model. Congratulations. Okay. Thank you so much to everyone attend this today. And last thing I need to talk about, we have to join us and to know more about us. You can WhatsApp group by scanning this QR code, and to join ModelArts and Pangu model methods, you can scan this QR code to join our developer community. Please scan the code now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay. So,
Again?
okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Maggie, for this wonderful speech and practical demonstration. Next, we'll enter the Q&A interactive session. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask us.